everybody. Today I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to start exploring the piano if you've never played piano before. And it's easy because all we have to do is play the black keys on the piano. So the fancy term for what happens when you play the black keys all in a row is that it's a pentatonic scale. But you don't even need to know this to just start playing around. The cool thing is, no matter what you do, it's going to sound cool. So here's an example. Very pretty. And I just kind of made that up on the fly. And that's something that you can do too. It helps if you want a more kind of impressionistic feel to hold the pedal down. So if you have 3 pedals on your piano, it would be the rightmost pedal. If you have 2 piano pedals on your piano, it would also be the rightmost pedal. If you only have 1 pedal, then that's the pedal that you'll use. It's the most common pedal. So you'll just press it and hold it down. You can also do it without the pedal, maybe something a little bit more dry if you want. This is a really fun thing you can do with other people, with maybe your kids, or a friend or family member, or by yourself, or whatever. So I hope you enjoy practicing and exploring your piano with just using the black notes. See you next time.